everyone, it's Thomas. I thought I'd just make a bit of a video of me cooking my dinner, but just to try and see if I can lighten everyone's mood on Facebook and everything. So we're doing a African marinated chicken. Just for FYI, everything that you've got, everything you see is everything out, and I've also just left my flow chart on what I've got to do in the process. Plus, I've also got everything on the pans ready to go as well. So, what you see first, I've got to do marinate the chicken, which I've just got some Greek yogurt. Add a few scoops in. I've also got an African spice, which is basically just turmeric and paprika and a few other things as well. I'm going to go pretty heavy on that spice as well too. Also throw in half chopped garlic. Just going to mix that in really nice and thick. So yeah, I'm just trying to lighten the mood. It's just all cray all the time. See how we go. Let's make things fun. Then we're going to take the almonds. We're just going to saute them. Just peel them lightly. There you go. Golden crispy. Golden crispy. Bad guys are history. There we go. Now we can start frying our onion. Generous with the oil. Oh, we won't do that much onion. We'll just do about half. There we go. I reckon that's about done. Add the currants in with the stock as well. And then we can fry. Then we're basically cooking our rice at the moment. Chuck all the rice in. Don't want them to go too fast, so we'll just chuck the lid on that. Now it's on to fry the veggies. We've got the rest. Just the rest of the garlic, just in with the stock and the rice. So the rice is simmering on nicely. So the zucchini veg is on. And the chicken's cooking slowly. Just freeze that so everyone can see. So once again, the rice is just on the nice simmer. The chicken's cooking really nice and slowly. And the zucchini's frying up nicely. Flip the zucchini the best you can. We just want it nice and grilled. Shush, Charlie. Zucchini's almost done. Rice is about halfway. Chicken, about 1/3. Just going to push the zucchini aside so I can get the spinach in there in a sec. I'm going to bring the rice to the front. And the zucchini to the back. Ooh, rice is actually close. Chicken's coming along nicely. Zucchini's pretty much just on low at the moment, but I'm about to chuck the spinach on. Rice is almost done. Chicken's about 2 minutes away. take the biggest bit of chicken and you just want to cut into it just to have a check. And look at that. Chicken's pretty much done. I can go sit on the chopping board while that is finished, and then we'll serve up. Just on the low heat in the same pan. It's like 2 handfuls. Finished, don't need much. It's just wilting away there nicely. Rice is done. Rice is turned off. Everything's off. We're all done. Plate up. Nice bits of grilled zucchini. I've got to remember to save some for Rachel. What next? Rice, of course. Nice and easy. I'm not that hungry, so just 2 little bits of chicken. Squeeze the lemon juice. Try this one. Just the zest. More lemon juice. Want a little bit more olive oil on this as well. Yes. There we go. Dinner for one. That was pretty good. Thanks guys. See you next time.